At least this is what I hear from them.
They just said, what's on a thing?
You know, when you're coaching girls, when something goes wrong, you stop them and you correct them and then you have them play on. She doesn't do that. But I'm like, that's how, you know, that's what we're supposed to do. She's like, I don't know. I haven't been there. I don't know.
Let's go, girls. Come on.
Let's go. Be aggressive.
We're at 3 to 0. Better than halftime.
Keep the pressure on.
No, Haley, come on, let's go. Come on, Kylie, Kate. Let's go. Good D.
I think Haley's emotional. Yeah, she looks a little upset.
I think so. I don't know. It's because Scott said something.
Nice. Yeah. Girls, you're all bunched.
Go to.
Nice, Emily.
Come on, win it.
Way to be aggressive. That's the way, girls.
Oh. She's like, I disagree.
There you go.
Spread out.
Girls, you're on top of each other.
You in the same place. Oh my gosh. Why doesn't Scott tell me? Scott's like, you moms need to. Well, then you say it and I won't have to. Good to her. Uh-oh. Oh, my husband's going to probably go the other way home because now he's down.
Nice, Haley!
I know, he's probably doing it. No, I doubt it. Good job, Shelby. There you go, Maddie. Come on, Madison. Nice. Come on, Madison. Good pass.
Keep going. Madison.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice working together.
Good job. Oh, a little hard. Take it back, Liv. Foot. Toe.
Come on, Lena.
Come on, Lena.
Stay with her, Lena.
Come on, Haley.
Girls, there's no one on her. Go to 7. Oh. Nice, Haley.
Down the lip. Oh, get a toe.
Yeah.
Good job, Shelby. There you go, Megan.
What it was yesterday.
What? How many did it? What's the score?
It was like, it's 3-zip.
3. Okay.
But yesterday, wasn't it
Like 10.
6 or 7 by halftime?
It was. Yeah, but it was 10-0. Oh, 12.
I think it was over 10.
Oh, really?
Michael's like, that coach yesterday took no mercy on us.
Nope. None whatsoever.
Libby said in the car, she says, Mom, that is so
that's
terrible. We lost 8-0. And I said,
You're like, honey.
I know. I asked the girls. I said, what was the final score?
I didn't have the heart.
And
I
they said
said,
7. I think it was 7-0. I said, oh, okay.
I didn't have the heart. I said, no, but that's okay if you want to think that. 9. I said, honey, let's just leave it. It's okay.
It was a lot. It was a lot.
I just didn't have the heart to say it was double digits. I'm sure it was all a blur at some point.
Oh! Nope, come on! Oh, Levy Grace!
Oh, she tried, though. She tried. Nice effort.
Jeez, just put your chest in front of it.
Just grab it with your hands.
Just grab it with your hands.
And now she would have grabbed it.
Oh.
They would have got a free kick.
Right, then they would have made it.
Maybe.
Come on, Madison!
I guess my husband got tired of me yelling.
There you go. Win it!
I still think it's me.
Come on, girls! Get up there, Madison!
It's not you.
Sophie said,
Actually, he's down there because he wants to coach. He's getting frustrated.
yeah, I don't blame him. That's gotta be hard as a coach.
There you go, Madison! Come on, Meg!
There you go.
Right.
Oh, Liv, quicker! Don't let her get by you! I know, it feels good.
Nice, Katie.
Oh,
Stay with her.
Oh, quick! Look how quick they are.
Wow, that was nice.
Yeah.
That is nice.
Set up, but get it out.
Come on, girls.
Oh, wow! That was quite a shot.
It's okay, Shelby.
That's okay, Shelby.
Go,
What are you
girls.
gonna do?
Come on now.
What is it now? 5?
Keep it out of the box, girls.
4? 4. 4? I think it's 4.
Well, whatever. Yeah, but
I
that
feel
one.
like the team yesterday was actually better than this.
I
mean, the way they're playing right now.
They were really aggressive.
They were very yes, intense. That's the
Oh.
word. It's like everybody is good.
Come on, Kate. Come on, White, get there.
Do you think maybe it's the tired factor setting in?
Yeah, I don't.
Because Livy, blah.
How do you know these girls didn't play that yesterday?
Yeah, but they had 4 subs, honey. Jeez. Our girls played with no subs yesterday and today.
I bet you there's some
I
players
know
out there.
Emily's tired.
I think Livy's tired.
Well, yeah, what time did you say it was?
9:30.
Come on, White.
Come on, Megan.
10 rounds.
Ooh.
Nice.
Gosh, she takes a
Get
beating.
there, Liv.
Don't hold your hand, Megan.
Yeah.
Come on, Liv.
Call it.
Nice, Lena.
Get there, Lena.
Look at her. She's so quick.
Block the ball. That's good stuff.
Yeah.
Not making fun of you. No, I like it.
Girl, she's setting up. Why are you not recognizing that? The funny thing is they're so quick on their throws and their kicks that our girls were still trying to set up and she'd already kicked the ball in.
Yeah. But they're doing it how it should be done.
Yes, I agree. We need a little of that.
My daughter's still running away.
Well, mine has her back turned right half the time. Oh, stay on her, Liv.
I think he went to go scream.
Let's get the ball. He's probably going in the corner to go.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. Oh, nice, Emily.
Oh, whoa, that
that
girl
was close.
pushed.
Yep.
Come on, Madison.
Come on, girls.
Get in there. Madison, get it. Win it.
Nice stop.
Oh.
Emily said to me last
Good.
night, did you see the girl who pushed me to the ground?
I know Megan.
Did you see the handball that Alex didn't call? Yes.
We all saw it.
Why didn't Alex?
Dang.
I don't know.
Oh.
You know what? They have the same moves over and over again. It's. Mm.
Yeah, Megan yesterday was like, Mom, that team was pushing me on the neck. Yesterday.
Watch this. Just be ready.
She got beat up.
Yeah, they were pretty.
And Lydia said she was on the ground.
Giving her the stiff arm and holding her on the neck.
And the ref did not see that,
Are
huh?
you kidding?
Whew. Did they get it?
I don't think.
Yeah.
Oh, they did.
I thought Shelby had possession.
Yeah.
That was a big. That was a big.
But there's no possessions.
She did touch it though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he didn't blow the whistle,
Yeah.
right?
I think that she has to like.
She has to have it. She touched it, but she never had a hand on it. I mean, she never, had a hold of it, I guess I should say.
Yeah, she has to have
Shake
possession.
it off, Shelby.
Kick it, girls. Just kick it and chase it down.
Because you're struggling at this point.
Well, look at the defense.
Good job, Haley.
These players are too good. You gotta send it down and
Good job, Liv.
You can run it down.
Go, Megan.
Yep.
Come on, Megan.
Whoa.
Good. Keep working together, girls. You're bunched, girls.
Ooh, Kylie was.
I know you see that. She's like, I'm sick of you.
And in front of her.
There you go. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Nice.
Nice. Good job, Lena.
Hustle too.
Oh,
She's so cute. Good. She's good.
He's so cute.
I know. Ew.
Oh, never say die. That means going right to the goal. I said that's it. Nice, Haley.